Welcome to Kalpit Classroom. In this presentation, I will speak about SYBSc Semester 4 Botany Paper 3 Current Trends in Plant Sciences 1 Details of Syllabus. So, let's continue with presentation. The examination paper pattern will be same like semester 3. 100 marks for theory paper and 50 marks for practical. So there is no any change in semester 4 examination paper pattern. In semester 4 botany paper 3 you will have 3 units. Unit 1 horticulture and gardening, unit 2 and unit 3. First unit is horticulture and gardening. In this unit, the syllabus is branches of horticulture, and in that topic, detailed study of olericulture, pomology and floriculture. Olericulture means study of vegetables, pomology study of fruits and floriculture study of flowers. Next topic is locations in the garden such as hedge, arches, pergola, flower bed, avenue, water garden and topiary. Types of garden, formal and informal garden. So topic 2 and 3 are connected with each other, formal and informal garden and the locations in formal and informal garden. And last topic in this unit is National Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park in details and botanical garden, under which Victoria Garden or Jijamata Udyan has to be covered. So this is all about unit 1 horticulture and gardening. Unit 2 is biotechnology, and in this unit topics are introduction to plant tissue culture, laboratory organization, totipotency, organogenesis, organ culture, under organ culture, root culture, shoot culture, meristem culture, anther and pollen culture. So this is exclusively biotechnology related topic known as plant tissue culture. And second topic in this unit is recombinant DNA technology, which includes gene cloning and enzymes and vectors used in gene cloning. In vectors, we will have PBR 322, PUC 18 and TI plasmid as vectors of gene cloning. This is all about Unit 2 Biotechnology. Unit 3 is known as Biostatistics and Bioinformatics. In this, biostatistics will cover chi-square test, coefficient of correlation. Theory as well as problems will be there on chi-square test and coefficient of correlation. In bioinformatics, topics related with information technology, history and tools of information technology, internet and its uses. Introduction to bioinformatics, aims and objectives of bioinformatics, data organization, tools of bioinformatics, basic local alignment search tool that is BLAST, ENTRACE and various bioinformatics programs in India. So in bioinformatics, we will basically deal with use of computers in the field of biology and various applications of bioinformatics. So this is Unit 3 Biostatistics and Bioinformatics. Along with theory, that is along with Unit 1, 2 and 3, you will have practicals based on Unit 1, Unit 2 and Unit 3. So there will be practicals which will include Unit 1, Unit 2 and Unit 3 theory syllabus. So this is all about SYBSc Semester 4 Botany Paper 3 syllabus. Thanks for watching this video.